Dear Blum fans, before Interzum I visited Blum, South Africa and was inspired by clever bathroom solutions. As you know, our journey around the world continues with more exciting furniture from the Blum stand. We're here in the inspiring bathroom section, and this amazing freestanding piece of furniture is in Croatia. It's got a real maritime flair and combines individual design with functionality. With a little push, the mirror slides to one side, revealing unexpected storage space, thanks to Space Twin. The solution is implemented with diagonally offset runners, without compromising stability or quality of motion. I really like the wow effect, and it's very practical. And a true beauty lies hidden behind this lovely front. LEGRABOX is elegance at its best. These customized drawer sides are really fancy and one of a kind. Mixed colors and materials use printing, laser texturing and embossing options to create your personal box system with My LEGRABOX. This is how you can impress your customers and make unique furniture. Thanks for joining us on our journey around the world. I hope you've been inspired. See you soon, yours, Tony.